Look, moving too bossy, we don't tread softly, but not flossy, the streets done taught me, moving too bossy, we don't tread softly, but not flossy, the streets done taught me, I'm just trying to get my nigga baby.
I got a question for you.
Yes, sir.
What's your favorite part about being a professional bowler? Is it the money, the fame?
I get to hang out with my bros. Because all my friends are professional bowlers, so I have to pay my membership every year so I can maintain that, so I can hang out with my friends.
So you can maintain your friendships?
Yeah, pretty much.
What's your favorite part about being a professional bowler?
Winning.
His is the money and the fame.
Mine is just because I love bowling. Mikey's is because he gets to hang out with his friends. Let's find some more champions and ask them.
It's nice, this lane has like all the holes.
What's your favorite part about being a professional bowler? You part-timer.
My guys I get to hang out with.
That's what Mikey said.
Friendship?
Friendship.
Chris said the fame and money.
The
Obviously.
fame and money. Oh yeah, that's clearly
Chris said
it.
fame and money.
Yeah,
Him.
a lot of that.
Prather.
You got a question for me?
I do have a question for
Okay,
you.
what's
I
that?
asked him and Mikey. No, but you're the next.
Okay.
What's your favorite part about being a professional bowler?
Honestly, trying to figure it out all the time. Like we're never at the top of our game, even though we've made bowl better some weeks than others. But it's like a constant puzzle. So I just think trying to figure it out from week to week, I think it's pretty fun.
That's a great answer, because that's why I love bowling so much, is because you're always chasing something.
Isn't that friendship?
What's your favorite part about being a professional bowler?
Having to do this stupid for you.
Seminelli said his ball didn't hook. Let's check this one out. Yeah, but what's your favorite part about being a professional bowler?
My favorite part is the community. Bowling's a lot smaller community, so a lot more genuine people in this world where everyone truly cares about everyone. Where you get into other sports and things like that. Some people build some rivalries. There's not really any of that out here. Even though I might bowl, packy, and match play, I still want to see him win. I still want to see him succeed. So I just like the camaraderie that we have here.
The camera or what?
Absolutely not.
Absolutely not. What? All right, Darren. What's your favorite thing about being a professional bowler? What's the best thing about it?
The fame, the glory, the celebrity status. As you know, I'm full of right now because we don't have that as bowlers. On the real though, I like hanging out with the boys. It's pretty cool, you know, to be surrounded with the world's top players around your age, or even like the old guys, you know, like Barnes.
Name them
Tommy,
now.
And Wes, you know. But it's pretty cool, you know. They kind of took us under their wings as we came out here, noticed that we had a little bit to offer as players, and gave us some tips. And you know, of course, they're trying to beat our brains in, but we're trying to do the same. So it's pretty cool.
Nice, got his ass cheeks, front and center.
That's all I'm asking for, one strike.
About to get you a 3-bagger, call him right now. Call your shot. Call my shot, AJ2810. Way too much. Strike.
I can't miss.
Thanks, Peggy. Be here all week. spot. I'll get them all down.
It's gonna be half right there. He said he's gonna get the other half right here.
Go back through it. No, go back through it. We don't care about that. Go back through it.
What's your favorite part about being a professional bowler?
None of it, really. I hate every second of it.
Not every second.
Gotta be honest.
I'm part of every second. Well,
Doesn't
not every.
invite
I'm
me
part
to
of
his
some
party.
of every second. Dude, is that how
Big
friendship
party
works?
up there, cocktail hour. I'm only inviting my friends.
I only invite people who have Instagram pages. Go follow me on Instagram, Kevin Williams.
Frank, what's your favorite part about being a PBA bowler?
Favorite part of being a PBA bowler? Just annoying AJ. I'd say the traveling for sure is part of it. And then just figuring out the puzzle. There's always a puzzle. Every time we bowl, we're in a different center, different pattern. And the second you think you've got it figured out, bowling just comes and punches you in the It brings you back down to earth. So it doesn't sound fun, but to me, that's fun.
That's what Mitch said. Mitch said none of it. Mitch said none of it. All right, AJ. What's your favorite part about being a PBA bowler?
There's a lot of good things about it. It's definitely not having to deal with Frankie every week.
That's on the bottom of the list?
Yeah, it's certainly not near the top. I get to play a sport that I love for a living. Love this sport ever since I was a little kid, and to be able to do it for a career and travel across the country, across the world. I've been to 20 different countries. I mean, I wouldn't have gotten to do that if it wasn't for bowling. So there's a lot of good to it, and not a lot of good that very many people get to see. So I'm glad guys like you with a camera get to capture a lot of it.
I'm trying to. Yeah, what's your favorite part about being a professional bowler?
Winning?
Well, that's what Prather said. That's lame.
It's not lame. All right.
It's not lame once you win, I guess. Got to find that out for myself.
Is that your real answer? Winning?
Yeah, practicing leads to like competing as a professional, which leads to winning. Like those are the three things that help me sacrifice everything away from being at home, but in all the hours at home as well as practicing, going to the gym. All of that leads to hopefully that end goal of doing well in competition, trying to build to that next win.
What is your favorite part about being a PBA tour bowler?
Oh, golly, it's mostly just making fun of you.
That's a good answer.
Excellent.
Yeah.
That's a great answer.
Yeah.